Good morning, YouTube. It's the official Zybins. Here is back again with another video. As you guys can see from the title of today's video, I have a cooking vlog for you guys. As you guys know, I'm on my weight loss journey for 2025. And a lot of people think that, like, because you're on a weight loss journey, you have to eat bare vegetables, fruits, and basically bland foods. And that's not true at all. So what inspired me to do this video today was, today marks 4 weeks, meaning a month since I've had any fast food. I constantly have fast food, especially like being that I'm upstate. There's nothing to really eat up here, especially being a college student and needed a quick bite. You know, the go-to is McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, you know, wherever they got a good bundle at. So today we're gonna be cooking some tasty weight loss friendly meals, as well as some meals that I seen on a TikTok shop that I wanna try. We're gonna head to Walmart, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you know when I post. And if there's any meals you guys want me to recreate, comment that down below. But enough with the chit chat, and let's head to Walmart. Alright, y'all, so we back from shopping at Walmart. Got a couple of items here. It's serious, y'all. Y'all know I got the call clip in. We gotta get to work. Alright, so let me unbag this and I'm gonna explain like what I'm actually meal prepping. First thing we're gonna meal prep is the breakfast. As you guys know, before my channel, I did do overnight oats, and I do want to go back to doing my overnight oats. I haven't done overnight oats in a minute, but I also went to Walmart and I got me some grapes. I got some green and purple grapes. I also got me some cranberries, and I got a watermelon. So I am still gonna do my overnight oats. I do have some frozen berries in the freezer that I can put on top of my overnight oats because I usually eat my fruit with my overnight oats. But we're gonna prep the overnight oats in these jars, and we're gonna do the same with these fruits. I want a couple of fruit jars as well. So we're gonna do that, but before we start doing that, we wanna clean our fruit first. This is what I used to clean my fruit, so I'm gonna get started with that right now.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Okay, so we're gonna let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before I rewash them. Unfortunately, it isn't watermelon season, so this is what I have to settle for, and I really wanted some watermelon. So I'm gonna wash this, chop her up, and prepare these to go in the jars as well. Because it's not watermelon season, I guess this watermelon came from Guatemala, I'm guessing. That's what the sticker said, at least. But it's seedless. It's okay. I'm gonna cut up the rest of this watermelon, and after I'm done, I'm gonna put them in the jars. By then, our grapes should be well and soaked, and I can rinse them off, and I can as well put those in the jar. Okay, I got small hands, so I can't hold them all, but I made 6 jars of watermelon. There is a couple pieces that's left over, so I'm gonna just take it upon myself. For breakfast, I had a protein shake. It's now 1 o'clock. I didn't have no snack or no lunch, so for me. Okay guys, so we just got our grapes clean, and since I'm on a calorie deficient diet still, I'm still watching my daily calorie intake. So if I'm using these grapes as a snack, I should be consuming about 10 to 15 grapes so that I don't go over my daily calorie intake. So I'm gonna start filling her up right now. So we have here 6 jars of watermelon, and we have 5 jars of grapes. I actually used all my jars, so I don't know what I'm gonna put the overnight oats in. Maybe I might make overnight oats for another week. I might just do fruit for breakfast for this week. I still have a good amount of grapes left, so I guess I'm gonna put them in a regular container. I can definitely put them in these containers. I had got these containers from Five Below a while ago. So this is what it's looking like for the fruits. I got the remaining grapes in these little containers here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and we're gonna put it in the fridge. Now that we got the breakfast prep out the way, now it's time to move on to something I seen on TikTok that caught my attention. So this girl made it like a cucumber salad, but it just wasn't like a regular cucumber salad. It had like onions, peppers, jalapeños, olives. She had a bunch of stuff in there, but the point in the cucumber salad is to produce healthy weight loss. So she lost 6 pounds, I think, in a week, 2 weeks at most, but she was also juicing. I'm not juicing for personal reasons, but I do want to try this cucumber salad to see what it's gonna taste like. But I went to Walmart, I got me a couple of things that I need. We got the olives, I see she has some olives, jalapenos, a yellow pepper, tomato, cucumber, and she used oregano, pink Himalayan salt, red crushed pepper. The only thing that I didn't get for my cucumber salad, which she used, was the mushrooms. I'm not really a fan of mushrooms too much, but other than that, I got all the necessary items I need. So we're just gonna get started and we're gonna see what it looks like at the end, because I think it's gonna look really pretty with all the colors of the vegetables and stuff. So let's get started. Here we have it, the cucumber salad. It looks really pretty and it smells good too. So I kind of wish that I didn't fill up all my jars with like the watermelon and the grapes, because I actually should have put this in the small thing that I put the grapes in. But it's okay, so I'm gonna put it in this little storage container here. But before that, let me give it like a little test. Okay, so we got an olive on there, some tomato, cucumber, pepper, jalapeno. Let's see. Oh, wait. I'm not a fan of green olives, but the spice gives it a good little taste. I like this. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna put this in the bowls and stuff, and then we're gonna get started on what I'm gonna have for dinner today, because I'm really excited to show you guys what I'm gonna make. All right, y'all, so we got us 3 days worth of lunch. Let's just start taking a little look at it, y'all. Cucumber salad. I think you guys should try it, but if you're not a spice person, I wouldn't recommend it, because that you could feel the kick with the jalapenos and the crushed red pepper, but the lime juice and even like the bitterness of the olive kind of like simmers down the heat. But I'm a spice person, so I love it. Let's put this away. Okay, so for today's dinner, since today marks officially a month since I've had any type of fast food, I decided that I wanted to make a little McDonald's dupe. And I decided that I wanted to make a McChicken and french fries meal today. But the difference is, instead of regular potato french fries, for sweet potatoes, that's a healthy alternative. And right now, I got my chicken to the side soaking. I'm gonna finish cleaning that soon. I actually picked up the wrong bread. I meant to get keto buns. I just seen the keto and just assumed that's what I needed. But it's keto bread, so I guess I can use this when I make my avocado toast in the morning. And we have the breadcrumbs. So what I'm gonna do is after I'm done cleaning the chicken, I'm gonna dice it up, put it in patty form, breadcrumbs, and it's going in the air fryer. Everything is going in the air fryer today. Now, I did what the guy in the video did. I seen him dice up his chicken breast, but I don't know if I should have diced it up because it did take me some time to get it in this form. So I may keep it as it is. I might just cut it a little bit so it can fit. I don't know if I want to dice this up, only because the patty is falling apart. Like, my knife isn't sharp enough for me to dice it how it's supposed to be diced. So I'm gonna do one more of it that's diced up to pick up the remaining chicken that's here. But for the other two breasts, I'm gonna just leave it as it is. It won't be in a circle shape, so don't judge me, please. Okay, yeah, so I got 2 chicken patties here, chicken patty here, and I just got I guess this is a chicken strip? I don't know, but we're gonna go put it in the air fryer now.
Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, make that different, you know. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life, girl. You know you got that thing that I like, girl. You got that thing for real.
And boom, we got our McChicken dupe and our French fry dupe. Let me taste a little fry for y'all. Honestly, y'all know French fries is one of my favorite things, but I'm really growing to love the sweet potato fries better than the regular French fries. I'm gonna take these over the potatoes any type of day. Not too much on my little McChicken too, because I didn't get the bun. I got the regular bread, but the bread's so big that it kind of, I think it look cute. Okay, get y'all a bite. Okay, let's see. I need some cheese on here. Wait. I don't like the way this bread smells. I'm not a fan of the keto bread too much, but the chicken sandwich though, love that. I don't like the bread. It's like, it tastes how it smells. And it smells like, almost like Play-Doh. What they don't make this out of? Other than that, I love my fries and my chicken sandwich. Just don't like the bread, not a fan of that. But maybe I can grow to like the keto bread. That being said, I'm gonna end today's video. We got the breakfast down, the lunch down, and we got the dinner down. I'm gonna put the ingredients as well as the recipes down below in my description if you guys wanna try any of these recipes or any of these meals that I made today. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you guys know when I post. If you're new here, join the family. And with that being said, I will see you guys next week. Bye.